People who honk in traffic jams, what are you trying to achieve? Mostly just looking for another SUV to mate with. Preferably nice tires, low gas mileage. Reposts go from 1,200 per minute to 1 million per minute. I honk in Morse code, telling everybody to chill. FACKIN goo. I always think it's like geese. Geese just honk for honking's sake. That my 1992 Chevy Blazer's horn is superior to all the other horns. I honk at people who look like they aren't paying attention and are about to crash into me. I don't just honk cause I'm mad that I'm sitting there. Because the fucking idiot in the F-150 keeps trying to merge into my car and won't quit texting. I honk in support of others' honkings. Whitman called it a barbaric YAWP. They've taken everything else away from us. It's our one way to say to the world, I am here. It's music. It's art. The less you understand, the better it is. World peace. Starting a music band. You're going to be there for a while. Might as well make it entertaining. People rarely join me and get angry at me though. The upvote, downvote feature would turn into those emoji thingies Facebook has. That being said, I don't want it to happen because I like the anonymity Reddit gives me. You, Karen vs. manager, today in our Minions memes. I'm just trying to move that big truck in the front. Let the person in front of me know how stupid they are for being on the road at the same time as me. Turds. Honk if you love ass. I secretly hope my honk will cause others to honk, creating a chain reaction. Sort of an audible honk wave. Doubt we'd even notice a difference at this point. Death. Removed. I'm just angry so I make my car scream like I do. I sometimes honk as soon as the light turns green, then look over my shoulder to indicate the driver behind me did it. I want the asshole in front of me to stop fucking letting everyone else in. One per fucking customer. The reposts would become unbearable. I would quit Reddit forever. I always forget that I had to replace the rocket launcher with a horn. I do it for the Foley artists. How else will they get authentic street sounds for their movies? Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.